this is an illustration I have found on Stack Overflow on how you can test, you know, this singleton that is not thread safe. We said that if you use the constructor in the get instance, you might have trouble with the threads. That's what we have seen in the practical work. So here is a test to check that. Of course, if we want to truly test that, we have to run a number of get instance because the problem occurs in the threads. So it's a random problem. So we have to repeat the test many times, and in order to be able to run get instance many times, we need to reset the singleton instance every time we redo the test. So I had to modify a little bit the singleton just to make the static information public. But that's it. If you run this test so what is the test? The test is a simple launch of the threads. I'll let you find the information on the web, but basically what this test does, it runs the get instance method into several threads, okay? And it does that a lot of time. The first time I run this test, it passed. So 1,000 times I didn't get any trouble, but the next time I got trouble. So if I run again the test as a JUnit, oh, this time after just 21 times it stops. Sometimes it's longer than that. Maybe this one is going to pass. You see, you can see the execution of this loop. Oh, just before finishing, 895, we were almost passing, but as you can see, we have failures. This time is after 132. And if I make the singleton safe in terms of threads, that means that I initialize the instance at the beginning. I mean, at the static definition. I don't need anymore to do the ifs. I just have to return the instance, and this time, this test, and I save, then this test should not fail. And I can run 1,000 times this exercise. I'm not failing. I can try again. So you have to trust me on that, but I tried several times. Now that we instantiate the value at the loading of the class, this get instance method never returns anything different from this object. You can rerun as many times as you want. Your singleton implementation now is thread safe. So I will put that link on Stack Overflow. If you look for singleton thread safety, you will find it. But I wanted to share that with you. That's why I did this little recording of this particular way of testing threads.